Hey there, I'll show you how to generate an API key in your Artbees dashboard so you can register Jupyter Legacy, Jupyter X, and CellKit Pro. This quick guide will help you finish the setup. This part walks you through creating an Artbees account, or if you already have one, sign in with your email and password so you can access the dashboard to generate your API key and register your theme. First, click the sign up link to begin. Enter your full name and email address, and a strong password. Check the Stay in the Loop box to receive updates and other news in your email. Click Get Started to create your account and open the dashboard. Your Artbees account is created, and you're on the dashboard. Open License to go to your license management. Click Activate License to open the modal. Paste your Envato purchase key into the input field. Click Register to submit your purchase key. Click Copy API Key to save it for theme registration. Click the eye icon to view your license details. After reviewing the details, click Close to dismiss the dialog. That's it. Your API key is generated. Use it to register your themes and unlock premium features and support.